returning, we mourning a sweet be fatherless, and only a widow mourning. I left the lines and tented field, where long I'd been a lodger, my humble knapsack of a wealth, a poor and honest soldier. At length I reached the bonny glen, where early life I sported. I passed the mill and trysting thorn, where Nancy oft I courted. Was spied I but my dear maid, doomed by her mother's dwelling, and turned me round to hide the flood that in mine was swelling. With altered voice quoth I, sweet lass, sweet as yon hawthorn's blossom, oh, happy, happy may he be that's dearest to thy bosom. My purse is light, I forty gang, and fain would be thy lodger. I've served my king and country long, take pity on a soldier. She gazed, she read, and like a rose, sighed pale like honey lily. She sank me in my arms and cried, art thou mine dear well? By him who made yon sun and sky, my own true love's regarded, I am the man, and thus may still true lovers be rewarded. The wars are on, and I'm coming, and find thee still true-hearted, though poor and dear, we're rich in love, and merry's ne'er be parted. 'Cause she